Looking at the EURGBP, it looks like there is a channel forming. If we go back to a 3-month view, there's key levels of support and resistance that we're going to set up trades between. If in this video we're going to set up trades that will buy to open a position when the price hits support, then close out the position, again buy, close. So we'll set up a trade to buy at the first level of support, sell at resistance, and if the price breaks through this stop trend line, we will switch from a long position to a short position. So now to set up these trades, so minute base indicator, like to buy to open, if I have no position, and keep repeating until it is paused. So buy to open at support if no position. If the price hits this level, actually I will pull this in a little bit. There is nothing worse than missing a trade because you push it too far to the edge. So sell to close a long position. Only execute if long. We'll just delete these old rules. If the price falls below this parallel stop trend line, I want to open up a short position, so I would close any long position and switch to a short position. And for this I want to use a 1-hour candle. And that is to avoid being spiked out of a position if the price touches the bottom stop trend line. In this case we will sell to switch the position. Only execute if not in a short position. That means if I do not have a position or if I am in a long position, execute the above. And when that happens, I'm going to activate a pause rule that I will use to close out the short position. So there's no need to set this to continue to reactivate, because once it is triggered, we want all of the active rules to be stopped. So if the price breaks through the support trend line, I'm going to use a MACD. In this instance I am using a variation of the normal one, which is using a smoothing period of 3 rather than 5, so 10, 35, 3 rather than 10, 35, 5. That makes it faster to respond to a change of trend. However, the consequences of that is that you can close out a position too quickly, but we'll test it in this scenario to see how well it works. So if the price breaks through support, we're looking for a pullback. When there's a change of trend, then close out the short position. And we're using a positive MACD crossover. Only execute if short, and then pause any active rules that may be running. Just pause this, and I'm going to take a look to see if there is another point of support that I could use. It looks like there's a potential area of support around 8400. Just take a look at the bigger picture to see if there's anything else around this level. So we'll set up another rule that if the price hits this bottom support, pull it up slightly. There's potential area of support around here. So if the price hits this level, we'll also close out any short position. So buy to close. If short, and pause the MACD alert that may be running. So now we sit back and see what happens.